Welcome to Spectre tutorial number 13, which is about how to get scripts loading in levels, and also how to get music playing in levels. So let us start by looking at one of our test maps here. Let's just load it up. This is the Space Academy, which really does not look, in fact, like it is a Space Academy, or even, in fact, like it is in space. But nothing is perfect. So we would like for a Ruby script to run when you first open this level. And what that Ruby script does, maybe launches the battle sequence, or tells a story and then launches the battle sequence this level, or whatever. Doesn't matter. For a first-person shooter, it might be spawn some monsters, it might be make sure everything's running, although most of that would probably be taken care of by the scripts on the objects themselves. So, to create a script that runs when you first load the level, we go to Tools, go to Dialogues, Level Properties, and this spawns this dialog here. So you can see we have currently 3 fields and a lot of room left for expansion, because I'm sure there will be more things in here. Interesting enough, this little level dialog is actually one of several new dialogues which I'm working on, which has been created as an XML file. Previously, all of this stuff that you see over here, and all of the other dialogues like the layers dialog, or the bricks dialog, or the textures dialog, have all been originally handled by writing a lot of C++ code to create them by hand. This is the first dialog that is actually data-driven, and it's defined entirely in terms of an XML file. So now if you want to change the formatting of this, you want to add new fields or whatever, you can just go in and do it. Anyway, here we are, level properties. So the first thing you see is the level name, which is the Space Academy, just for your reference. Second thing you see is the script name, which is script/spaceacademy.rb. Again, you could put this wherever. The script name and the music name, those are all actually stored relative to the current working directory, although this may well change. But otherwise, these are assumed to make sense relative to the position of the exe. Music, this is just the MP3 file or whatever that you want, if you want it to play when the level opens up. If you don't want one to play, then just leave this blank. Similarly, if you don't want the script to execute, just leave this blank. If you make changes, OK will save the changes, cancel will not save the changes. So make sure if you make changes, you actually hit OK. Then, if you go compile a level, and you type in where you want this to compile to, so in my case, level spaceacademy.cpl, hit enter, then this will actually produce a compiled level, a CPL file. And when you run that CPL file, that data is now stored in it, so it will tell it, hey, run this Ruby file. The actual order of things going off is as follows. First, the level is loaded. Second, any objects created via the create object tool over here. So for instance, if I have a unit and I place him down here, and then attempt to rescue him from his current hidingness. There we go. I put him up here. Then that unit will be created first. And then last but not least, the level script itself will run.